Today we have muddy sea animal toys. Let's watch the sea animals and learn their names. First we watch a scary shark. This is a scary shark. A scary shark. The next one is a beautiful clownfish.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had
A sea lion. This is a sea lion.
here and there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The next one is a starfish. This is a starfish.
MacDonald
A
had
starfish looking like a star.
and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O,
A pufferfish.
with a
This is a pufferfish.
there, everywhere. Old MacDonald
Octopus.
had a farm,
This is octopus. Octopus.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O,
A flying fish.
on his farm
This is a flying fish.
E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there,
Alligator. This is alligator. A red alligator. A sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. A pink fish. This is a pink fish.